Okay, we're back with another Leak Code 837, new 21 game. Alice plays the following game, loosely based on the card game 21. Alice starts with 0 points and draws numbers while she has less than K points. During each draw, she gains an integer number of points randomly from the range 1 to max points, where max points is an integer, each draw is independent, and the outcomes have equal probabilities. Right. So Alice stops drawing numbers when she gets K or more points. Return the probability that Alice has N or fewer points. Answers within 10 to, okay, double. So in this case, K equals 1, N equals 10, right? And if she always stops at 1, okay. That makes sense. In this case, N equals 6K equals 1, 10. She gets a single card, then stops. Right, because it's still 1. So, I mean, you said if K equal 1, return N, like, we can say double N divided by max BTS, which is return -1 for now. Yeah, because if K equals 1, you always stop, so we just say, okay, that makes sense. In this case, well, fuck, I don't really want to do the math for that. Okay, so something, oh, I didn't make it repeat. Oopsie. So in blackjack, what is it? The max, in theory, if we stopped at 17, would be 26, right? We the biggest we can draw at is 16, and the max we can get is 10. So we can get the probabilities of all the what is it? Draws for K plus max points, right? And so if we thought about this recursively, we'd start at 0, and then we keep drawing stuff. I'm not drawing all that out. And then each time we draw, we and then we could see each time we bust, and each time we just stand under N and then return that, that sounds really annoying to write and really efficient time complexity wise, but because we have this recurrence type thing, and we know we have like this sort of, we know exactly what type of cases we're dealing with. I want to say we want to solve this with using DP. I guess the challenge right now is understanding what type of recurrence relation you'd use, right? And I mean, okay. I'm wondering if we could even do this bottom up, but maybe I'll think about this recursively first. I wish they gave us a really simple... Okay, what if we just did this? N equals like 5, K equals like, let's just say 3, and then max is 10. So we'd start at 0, and you know what, max should really be 4. So we can do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then while this is still less than 5, while this is still less than 3, so these two should not be counted. And, oh my fucking god. So we do this here again. 2, 3, 4, 5. So these, we stop here. and we ooh. Oh fuck. So we can see right here we're gonna do the same thing here as we would here. But also I want to say, since this is a statistics probability problem, if there's a different way I want to count this. So, right. So 2. So there's a 2 out of 4 chance, just fucking 1/2, no bus. Oh, but when she gets K, she stops drawing numbers when she gets K or more points. So really our question is asking, what is the probability we get to K? To some K. Oh, this is a wacky problem. Right? Okay. So actually, wait. So this is 1, 1. So 1/4 stop here. And then this would be 1/4 times 1/4 equal 1/8. So just for each level, it's like each level it's 1/4 to the n or something. This level it's 1/16 actually. This fucking blows, dude. Oh my god. 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is where our thing stops. To the okay, just 64. I knew that. And same thing here, but times 2, which is 1/8. Youch. Youch. Right? So when she gets K or more points. Oh my god. So we wrote this recursively. We would kind of just say base equal sum is greater than or equal to K. If sum equal K. And K is always guaranteed to be less than or equal to N. Yes. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. And, how do I say this? Return, like, prob, else bust, like, 0. So, okay. What if we said private int dp, and then we'll say dp is equal to the new int, like max pts plus k. Honestly, with this base case, I don't know if we even need this, but we'll figure it out. And then let's just like, let's say solve, and then 0. Oh no. 0. Let's pass in max PTS. Let's pass in K. Okay, now this N is really freaking me out because why would you include N, right? Return the probability that Alice has n or fewer points. Oh, it's not just k. We have to go. Ah, shit. We get to sum k to n, k to n minus 1. Great. Okay, so if we say where dp of I stores prob that our sum is equal to this. Okay. Okay. Public int fuck solve in sum int next pts. This is called pts int k, and then we can say if dp sum does not equal 0, return dp sum. I feel like that sounds wise. Otherwise, right. So in case n is equal to 5, oh wait. Okay, wait, I want to confirm this is true. Fuck. Okay. Okay. Yada. Okay. This is 3. No, one half. Okay, 1/2 plus 6/16 plus 3/64. Okay, and then if we had a test case, I don't know. Okay, whatever. For now, let's do that. But let's add a test case where n is 5, k is 3, max points is 4. What do you want? Oh, they're talking. Oh. Oh. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it would have. Okay, so. It's. Ooh, why is it doing that? Wait, did I do math wrong? Answer is close enough, right? Right, right. Wait, it'd be 4. That's not even. Oh, my. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 in 4 chance times a 1 in 4 chance times 6 of these. Then 1 in 4 times 1 in 4. Fuck. Oh, did I even count this one? No, I didn't, because we shouldn't. I'm slow. Ah, fuck. Oh, cause 6. Cause 6 isn't n. Right, 6 isn't n. The max amount of points we'd have would be 3 plus 7, right? So this should be 3. What's concerning is... Duh? Okay, I guess it doesn't care. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 to the minus 5. What place is that? 1 times 10 to the minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I guess it. Okay, whatever, sure. Okay, my thing is correct then. Yay. But, so how do we want to approach this? Fucking Kua. Okay, let's start at 0. Ah, fuck. How do I erase all of this? Can I just... fill. Solid fill. Outline. Oh, there we go. There we go. So we start with 0, and for I in 1 to max, see, I can see that we're recalculating this, so I want to figure out how we could save that. Right, what if we, every time we, so we should probably maybe keep track of level. Okay. Okay. For I in range, So, depth. Let's just call it depth or D. Let's call it D. And we can say that, we could say that dp of I plus cur is plus equal like solve for Oh no, DP of da 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 da. Fuck. Mm. I plus care. Okay, so at this level, it's okay. So at this DP level, DP is equal to um 0, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. And at the next level, it would be 0, and then it would still be 1/4, 1/4. 3 would then be 1/4 plus so 1/4. So it would be, so DP of 3 is plus equal fucking 4 to the D, right? It's plus equal to, and that would happen here again. So plus equal 4 to the D, and then base is if sum is greater than or equal to n, well, greater than n maybe. What about equal? I think equal to, we just like return. Return. So in this case, I don't think this needs to. This could probably be void, right? No, it should be double. First of all, this should be also double. Oh, fucking I. Return DP sum. And then for int I equal 1, I is less than or equal to max PTS plus I, we can say we should have an int depth D. Let's call this, let's start with 1. Okay. Actually, is this even correct? I feel like I'm trying to figure out where my recursive call recursive. Oh yeah, they would. Um, where was I? Sorry. Where's my recursive call going? Okay. Shit. Right, even here, it's 1/4, so it should be. Maybe it's not 4 to the D. It would be dp of sum plus I is plus equal math.pal math.pal does the depth matter? I sure hope it does. Math.pal sum plus I max pts k d plus 1. Wait, no. This needs to go somewhere else. Not here. For d fuck it. Okay. Because 1/4 d, the depth here would be. Okay, we start here. And the odds of getting here. Am I thinking about this backwards, dude? Holy shit. So, okay, so ignore this for now. For in and sum plus I plus equal 4. So this would be 1. Ooh. 1 divided by. We want to do this first. Sorry. Ooh. We should probably do that as well. To D. Or honestly, it probably. Whatever. This probably isn't the cleanest way to write it. It'd probably be more efficient to say divide by that. Double. Fucking. Whatever. We'll figure it out. 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. We get here. And this is already calculated. So I want to say dp of 3 plus equal. But this hasn't, like, the possibilities at this sum haven't been calculated yet. Right, fucking. Well, actually, it would start at 2. Or, I mean, okay, we'd start here and then go here. So at this point, the chance of getting 2 would not be this. It would actually, at the first, like, depth, it would be like 0. Like the first, like, before we start going back up, it would be fuck. Right. It'd be 1/4. This would be 1/16. And here it would be 1/64 plus over here. So just explain this one plus 1/16 dot dot dot. Same thing really for the rest to 5. right? Maybe I'm overthinking this. I feel like I am. Can we say that for any I, for any sum, the prob to get there is what is it? All the ways to get to sum minus card for all card in like the, let's just say like 1 is like less than or equal to card and less than or equal to max, right? Times fucking kurwa. Times times like 1 over max, right? Because there's a 1 over max probability from to get to any card to the next card. We could probably prove that. I don't want to, because I can. If we can get to any card we can get to any card inclusive like subplanet, something like. I'm pretty sure we could do this, right? Is that true? So the probability to get to 1 currently is 1/4. And then we move on to 2. We get to 2. The probability to get to 2 is 1/4. Right. So there's a dp of 0 is equal to 0. So we start with 1, and then there's only one way to get there, it's just by drawing a card. So it's for get to dp minus card for all card, not this, less than or equal to 1, and I don't know, card is greater than card, fucking sum minus card is greater than or equal to 0, greater than or equal to 0. So for all cards, oh wait, what the fuck am I? Greater than or equal to 0. Okay. Oh my fucking god. For all cards less than or equal to some, right? Fuck, why am I slow? Okay. And so we do that so we start at 0, we can bottom up, and then we go to 1 for all cards that are greater than or equal to 1, less than or equal to some, so just 1. We do 1/4 times dp of 1 minus 1, which is 0. Oh, we could say 1, right? Can we? Maybe. Is that our base case? That might be our base case. Okay. Ignore all this then. Okay, maybe not ignore all of it. Okay, that's also not smart of me, but... turn -1. So for int I equal 1, and then let's just say dp of 0 equal to 1. Int I equal, so int sum equal 1. Sum is less than or equal to n plus sum for int card equal 1. Card is less than or equal to sum plus card. Okay. You can say dp of sum is plus equal 0.20, well, not 0.25, plus equal, actually, math dot pow, shit, no, that wouldn't even work. It wouldn't even be math dot pow, it would just be, okay. It would just be dp of sum minus card divided by double max pts, right? And honestly, instead of doing a typecast, let's just say int double max is equal to double max pts, and instead of doing that every time, we just do that. Okay, great. But I'm very wary that this would work. So let's return -1, and then let's do system.out.println arrays.toString dp. Oh yeah, fuck you, compiler. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Oh yeah, no, just empty function for no reason. What? Oh, fuck. I don't think I've ever made a double array. Okay, maybe we should check this out. That is not gonna yield the solution I want. Oh wait, maybe 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that is for sure not correct. Okay. Oh. Okay, to get to 1, it's 1 over max points, or 1 over 4. And for each of these two, this wouldn't even help, would it? Erase.fill dp 1 divided by max. Hope it's ironic. Right, that's not good. It shouldn't ever exceed 1. Okay. 1/4, and then 2. So that would be 1/4 plus dp of 1 times 1 to the 4 vite 1/4 plus 1/16 is 0.3125. So 2 should be that. Okay, if dp of 0 is just 0, what does that mean? Wait. This is 2. Oh. This. Plus this. This is obviously going to be too big. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and use 5. Alright. This problem vexes me. Is it actually calculating each thing properly though? Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3 is equal to 1/4 plus 2 oh shit. 2 16ths, right? Plus 1/64 down here. So 1/4 plus 2/16 plus 1/64. 0.3. Oh, what the fuck? Okay, it is doing it correctly. For that. Okay, is it doing 4 correctly now? I fear. Wait, 4 should have the same rate. So why isn't 4 the same? I hear you ask. Oh, because... Okay, maybe instead of... Fuck. Okay, we don't want to add it such that less than is equal to k minus some, maybe? Hello? Okay, kill yourself. Fuck you. I think that's our issue, because we don't want to be drawing for int card equal 1. That's not great. Okay. Wait, this feels really fucking close. Okay, so if we had this is the correct, right? Yeah. Times 2 plus d ways to get 5, which is 2 over 16 plus 1 over 64. Right, so if we just actually sum it up, like, I might be close. I might be fucking close. In a simmer never lasts. Wake me up when September ends. How do I make sure it stops at K though? Front card is equal to, if we just said less than or equal to K, would that? Oh. See, I think what's happening is we're considering this. Okay, so can we just say if sum can we say if sum minus card is less than or equal to K, maybe? Oh, that's still a weird number I don't like. If we add this together, we get a number that's too big. Wait, 0, 1, 2, 3. Oh, no. Yeah. Oh! Less than K. Oh yeah, we stopped drawing at K, so it should be. And if I sum this, wait, no, this case K is 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Oh, you gotta be shitting me, man. Wake me up when September ends. Okay, wait. Why is this doing this? 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2, 3. We want to add 3, 4, and 5. Yes, so this is 3, 1/4. 1/4 times 2/16 plus 1/64. So it should be that. But 4. Ooh, 4, 5. Oh shit, it shouldn't be that. Right. Right. For int I equal 1, I is less than K. Less than max PTS. I plus plus dp of I is equal to 1 divided by max. I need a, is there a way I can, oh, is that what I needed? There is a 2 in 16th chance that we have a 5 plus a 1 in 64, which is that. So if we say double res is equal to 0 for okay, let's write this a little cooler. How about we, while k is less than or equal to n, k plus plus is less than or equal to n, then the rest is plus equal dp of k, return res. Okay, no, fuck you. Fuck you. I probably just wrote the while loop wrong. I think that's what happened, because we... Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, no, that's weird. Okay, if we times 2 plus this, we get the right answer, right? Okay, I'm not gonna be cool, okay? For int... Oh, wait. Maybe what happened was... Oh, fuck it. I equal to k. Oh, k. So k in this case would be 3, which is 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I don't know. K is less than or equal to n. Oh. Oh, okay. Fuck me. Dude, I'm not drawing that. Okay, I think the problem is we're still drawing cards. If it's too big, that means we're drawing cards when we shouldn't be, right? So, I'm looking at this line, and this one I don't actually fully understand. So we get to 4. And we don't count, we don't want to use 3 or, yeah. Okay, no, this line makes sense. Dude, I'm gonna lose it. I wanted to sleep early today, too. What am I doing? Start at 1. Okay, 1/4, and I get to 2 for all cards. 1 over that times 2. 1 over 4 times 1 over 4. Oh, I'm not accounting for levels though, am I? Am I? So we get the 3, and 3 is already a 1 in 4 chance. Chance. Alright. 3. So we'd go through cards 1 and 2 to subtract. 1, 2, 3. Oh shit, wait. Maybe less than, if we did this, oh, funky. Really funky. Okay. 3. So at holy fuck. Okay, so at 3 equal to 1/4 plus 1/4 of the way to get to 2 plus 1/4 of dp1, and at this point dp2 is equal to 1/4 plus 1/16. I feel like the way we're doing it bottom up though, it encourages that. Is it because n is greater than k here? No, because I mean max points, because that's how it is here. Is it because k is less than, greater than max points? Do I need to do that as a test case? This is a really hard problem to like write your own and like visualize cases for. So, man. Yeah, because we did 1/4 plus 1/16. Alright. So what we said k was like. Okay, if k is equal to n, well k is only, okay, never mind. Stupid question. Fuck. Fuck. I feel like I'm really close with this though. This seems like it's... Okay, I feel like I have to understand why this specific one is failing and this one isn't. The difference here is that k is less than max points, or at least so far I can tell. So why would that be an issue? Or maybe it's just because n is really a lot bigger, and well, it's just how do you say? Hard to do bigger depth. So I mean, if n, okay, what if we just fiddled with the n, and then if we keep changing n, then oh, 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 okay, wait, 1? Why would it be 1? Oh, because, oh, what the fuck? Okay, so I think it is because as n gets bigger, we have to deal with more depth, which is really annoying. How long have I been going for? An hour, okay. I'm gonna take a break, BRB.